Alright, hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you guys are new. So I'm currently filming on my phone right now, but I'm outside of Target right now because I am gonna go get the Positions Vinyl from Ariana Grande. They have the exclusive, it's like this cool like mint green type of vinyl, so I am just so excited to go get it. I checked online, they had 3 in stock, so we're gonna go inside, we're gonna go get it, and then we're gonna go home and I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. Hey guys, what is up? So it is the next day and I am just so excited to unbox this vinyl for you guys. Y'all already knew my thoughts. Like when I first did my little like Positions album reaction type video, y'all know that I really wasn't like a big fan of the album. Giving it like quite a few months to like listen to it and such, I love it. It's fun. It's different. But I do like it. I do like it. So I went ahead and I picked up the vinyl. It's the Target exclusive. So this one is glow in the dark green vinyl. And then it also comes with 2 collectible posters. I am just so excited for this. My friend Amber, she actually did an unboxing on this as well. So I'm gonna have her video linked down below for you guys. So you guys should definitely go check her out. I love her so much. And you guys should definitely go watch her video. Go subscribe to her channel because she's literally the best. She is definitely the #1 Arianator. I really don't have anything else to say, so I think we're just gonna unbox this bad bitch up. So let's do it. I probably should have gotten like some scissors or something, but we're just gonna do this with our fingers and probably our teeth, to be honest. So, oh my gosh. Okay, I got it. So when I was watching Amber's video, she did mention that it was like thinner than all of like the other Ariana Grande vinyls, like the covers and such, so to say. And I'm definitely noticing that it is super thin. I am just obsessed with this. It just looks so good. And the reason why I think it is thinner is because there's only 1 like vinyl in here. Like most of the other ones, they usually come with 2, and this one only has 1. So on the front cover, you just have Ariana's beautiful face on here. We are obsessed, we love her, she's the queen. And then on the back, you get all of your tracks. So side 1 has Shut Up, 34 plus 35, Motive, Just Like Magic, Off the Table with The Weekend, 630, and then we also have Safety Net. And then on the other side, we have My Hair, Nasty, West Side, Love Language, Positions, Obvious, and then POV. Y'all, I'm just so excited to open this. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here is one of the collectible posters. Ariana Grande with her girl. I just love her hand tattoos, and this cover was seriously one of like the best covers ever. I think I have it in the CD. I'll have to go check, but I think I do have it in that. Love it, love it. It's just amazing. Bitch, I'm just gonna buy a frame for this and we're gonna hang it up. We'll just set that aside, and then we have the second poster. Love, love, love. She just looks so good. She's flawless. We love her. So I think I'm definitely gonna go and buy some frames for these and frame them up and then hang them up somewhere in my room. Not exactly sure where, but we're definitely gonna do that. And then getting into what we've all been waiting for, the actual, oh wait, hold up, there's something else in here. Oh, I love this too. All right, we might frame this too. So there's like another type of poster that has like all of the track lists on here. It just kind of has like the credits and stuff to like the people that helped like produce the music and such. I love it. And then I also love these photos down here. If we had these in like a bigger version, definitely would be hanging those up. This is seriously so good. I did not know that was in there. All right, y'all, let's do it. Let's see her. So this is what the vinyl looks like, guys. I love it. Definitely a little underwhelming at first, but I guess you do need to like charge it in the sun, and then like at nighttime or in the dark, it'll be glowing. I'm definitely gonna do like a little test run like right now and see if it does glow in the dark without needing to charge it in the sun. If that's the case, then we're definitely just gonna leave it in here and not worry about the whole sun. But she's definitely beautiful. We love it, and I can't wait to put her on my vinyl shelf. I'm just obsessed with this. I'm just excited to have it. Positions Vinyl about to have their debut. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Let's let's get her ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, I see it. It's actually glowing in the dark. Hold up, candle, I'm gonna blow you out. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but it definitely glows in the dark. You guys can barely tell on camera, but it's definitely glowing in the dark. In person, you guys can clearly see it, but on camera, it's having like a little bit difficulty. You guys can kind of see it, but oh my gosh, it is so cool, y'all. Alright guys, so that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys were thinking about getting the vinyl, you guys should definitely go get it. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I just love the cover of it too. It makes great decor. I know a lot of people like to collect that kind of stuff, so if you're one of those people, definitely get it. Or if you just love Ariana Grande, get it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.